Welcome back to How to Cake It. I'm Yolanda, and this week I am making a Grenada mega cake dedicated to the country where my mom is born. If you don't know where Grenada is, you are about to find out through cake. So I just thought of all the flavors from Grenada that I love, and I'm gonna put them all in a cake. So the first thing I wanted to make were some dried slices of pineapple. I cut off the top and bottom of the pineapple. I cut away all the skin. What I need to do next is slice the pineapple really thin. And I cut thin pineapple slices that I laid onto a baking tray on a silicone mat. I pressed some of them into a muffin tin and some into a mini muffin tin. And then I baked them very low. And I baked them for about an hour.
So how did they turn out?
They look beautiful. Not only do they look beautiful, they smell beautiful.
You seem to be really excited about making this.
I'm super excited. This has legit been on my list for so long. The second thing I prepared for this cake are these coconut patties. All I did was mix together dried shredded coconut and condensed milk. And then I lined this tray on the bottom and the sides with parchment, and I pressed my coconut mixture into 2 pans. Now, I feel like I need a disclaimer for any Grenadians who are watching. Of course, I'd rather use fresh coconut, but remember, I'm in Canada.
I'm sure it's gonna taste as delicious.
I hope so. After I pressed it in, I put these in the fridge to set and to firm up. So now that they're a bit firm, I'm gonna remove them and I'm gonna coat them in dark chocolate.
This is gonna be a difficult episode to get through.
I know. I know. I wanna eat every part of it, but we're gonna make it. I've wanted to make this cake for a long time. It's been on my bucket list, and it's only fair because I did make the Frankfurter cake in honor of my father's heritage, but today this is about my mom. So once my coconut patties have chilled for about 10 minutes, I'm gonna cover the other side. This is a thing of beauty, and now I'm just gonna do the second patty. Okay, and here's the instant replay. I'm gonna place these coconut layers in the fridge so that they can get nice and firm, and then I'm gonna fill this cake. I also made 3 7-inch round banana cakes. Banana cake is my favorite. And I'm going to level those now and cut the caramelization off the bottom. I may have baked a little extra batter in each pan. You can thank me later, Orhan and Cody. It's time to simple syrup these cakes. I'm just gonna do a light little syruping, and then I have something special from Grenada that I'm gonna add to this cake. Oh, I just thought of something. Simple syrup is made of sugar and water, and Grenada grows sugarcane and is surrounded by water. See how I thought that through?
Okay, you're really reaching out.
I'm gonna give Grenada all I've got. Okay, so I feel like I'd be cheating if I didn't put rum in this cake. You don't have to put rum in your cake if you don't want to, but today, I'm not doing that. No. Oh God, it smells so good. So what I'm gonna do with this rum is I'm gonna use a brush and I'm gonna lightly tap it onto my layers. Yo-Yo Day 2019 is almost here, so mark your calendars because on June 6th, we're celebrating all of you, all the loyal How to Cake It viewers. On June 6th, head to a participating bakery near you, wherever you are in the world, and proclaim Happy Yo-Yo Day! I don't think I've ever proclaimed anything. The first 50 people who show up to each location will receive a free sweet treat. But that's not all. Share your experience on Instagram using the hashtag YoYoDay for the chance to win an awesome prize pack. Not only is there vanilla already in this Italian meringue buttercream, but I'm gonna add some vanilla bean. So to get the beautiful seeds out of this bean, I'm just gonna cut the bean lengthwise. Be careful. You just want to use the back of your knife and scrape out the little seeds. They're very tiny. Even calling them seeds seems weird. It's like tiny specks. Vanilla buttercream, check. I'm done with the vanilla buttercream, but I'm gonna make my Spice Island buttercream. Grenada's gonna love it. I am gonna flavor some of my Italian meringue buttercream with some of my favorite flavors. So I'm going to add fresh grated nutmeg. I just grated it. Some ground cinnamon, and I'm gonna add some rum to this buttercream. If you don't wanna add the rum, you don't have to. Are we ready? Oh my gosh.
How come Orhan's is bigger than mine?
Okay, I'm sorry. They're like children. Cheers.
Cheers.
No!
Oh!
I'm
sorry, but that was excellent. That was very smart. Orhan.
That was really good, actually.
Okay, here you go. I am in my cake heaven. And right now I'm about to assemble this cake. So I have a banana layer down on my board. I'm gonna spread on chocolate buttercream. I'm just gonna do it and you can watch it unfold beautifully. Start with a banana cake. What's happening, Orhan? Are you playing the Grenadian national anthem?
Yes.
This is amazing! Okay, ready? You're so good. Will we get dinged for that or no one will know? I feel like it's helping me spread the buttercream better.
Yeah, look at this.
Look at how smooth it is. It's incredible. I'm very proud of myself. Okay, time to add one of my coconut patties. As much as I want to just take a bite of one. So now, vanilla bean buttercream on top of the coconut patty. Yes. Okay, coconut patty number 2. Now we definitely just can't eat it on its own. Are you ready for this vanilla bean buttercream dollop, Cody?
I believe I am.
Are you zoned in? Oh, I'm at the final layer. Remember when I used to sing, "It's the final layer"? I forgot about that. I forgot about that entirely. It's time to crumb coat this cake in my Spice Island buttercream. I have it labeled right here with the Grenada flag, in case you missed it. My crumb coat is now chilled, so it's time to ice this cake with more Spice Island buttercream. Okay, here we are.
It's your...
Look at how well it goes with the flag. See that? I will only ice this cake with a bench scraper that matches. There's something when I ice a cake and I'm done, I feel like so powerful. You know what I mean? I'm like, go ahead. Cake my tea. You probably noticed my shirt says that.
That was smooth.
Was it not? So this tea is this month's Cake Tea Club tea, and if you see, people are already calling for it. This tea is this month's Cake Tea Club tea, and when you join our Cake Tea Club, we send you a new freshly baked tea every month. So if that sounds good to you, just click here. Come on, cake. Let's chill. So while I was making this cake, I don't know why I didn't even think of this, because the Grenada mega cake has been on my bucket list for so long. And like during the icing process, I thought to myself, I know what I need to put on this cake. I need to put groundnut sugar cake on this cake. I can't even believe I forgot about that. This is the #1 thing that my mom made when I was a kid. And I want to make some, but I think I need my mom's help. So I'm gonna bring her to the How to Cake It kitchen. We are making groundnut sugar cake, which is, that was amazing.
Groundnut sugar cake.
Groundnut sugar cake. It's brown sugar, water, and I put in some fresh grated ginger, and we're gonna let this boil. Then we're gonna pour in roasted peanuts, and then it's gonna like harden and get sugary, and then you can just drop it. Do you think we're ready? I feel like we should add the nuts.
Yeah,
what do you
don't
think?
want it to dry out.
I don't want it to dry out, but
you don't want it to be too soft either.
So Grenada is like one of the most superstitious places in the world.
Get that from?
From you. My mother has all these superstitions that I believe like you have never heard. So what happens if you eat, my mother has a superstition, if you eat from the bottom of a pot, like directly from a pot, what happens?
You're not going to get married.
What's
No,
that?
but it's
You're not gonna get married.
That's why I'm still not married.
Stop eating out of a pot. Yeah, what is a ligaroo?
Oh, a ligaroo is the guy who sucks your blood.
A vampire.
Yeah, I think you might.
Oh, this is good. Should I
Yeah.
take the heat off? Yeah, just in case, because it's still hot. Okay, can you stir and I'll pour nuts? Don't burn yourself.
Okay, go ahead.
Go.
It's getting there. It's close. It's close.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow,
Yes,
it's work. I don't know
close.
why I'm surprised. It's
Yeah.
honestly sad that,
Don't
okay,
go
let's go.
over. No,
Let's go.
no, yes,
So
no, no.
let's, I'm just gonna basically, oh, come on. Want these nice clumps.
Okay, nice. That's a nice big one.
That's a
Yeah.
big one. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside to cool. Okay, thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Here's
Oh,
your
that's
flag.
my flag.
Walk out waving it. Here you go. Bye, Mommy. Now I'm gonna make some ganache to pour on top of this cake. The first thing you need to do is chop your chocolate as finely as possible and place it in a bowl, and then weigh out the exact same measurement of whipping cream. Now pour your whipping cream into a pot, and you'll want to bring it to an almost boil. So you definitely want to see bubbles on top of your whipping cream. At this point, you can pour your cream right onto your chopped chocolate and cover the bowl. I like to cover the bowl for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the cover and with a wooden spoon, stir your ganache until it all comes together. If I was rich, I'd have like a ganache waterfall in my home. Come in, dip something. So you want nice drippage, and then now quickly, before it's fully set, we're gonna pour some on, and then we're gonna start to spread it out to meet the drip. So before I make it a mega cake, by adding my groundnut sugar cake, my dried pineapple slices, and some dried mango, I'm going to do my favorite thing and pick up this beautiful cake and put it on a cake stand. I love doing that, it's so relaxing.
Is it over?
No, I need you to focus. Don't ever become a surgeon. Did I do it? Okay. I sounded like
God.
I was a kettle boiling. Okay, so now I'm going to, well, make this a mega cake. So I also want to put some groundnut sugar cake clusters down around the bottom, especially where you might have, you know, messed up the buttercream a little. If today is the first day you learned about Grenada, subscribe. If you already knew about Grenada, subscribe.
So you just want them to subscribe?
I just want everyone to subscribe.
If you exist, subscribe.
Subscribe. Are you breathing? Subscribe. Are you awake right now? Subscribe.
Are you not breathing? You could be a ligaroo. The ligaroos should subscribe.
Ligaroos accepted. Subscribe. Leave how to cake it, and we'll open like a groundnut sugar cake cart down by like the ACC and sell this. Are you with me?
No.
Okay guys, so we're going. I hope you've enjoyed our trip to Grenada on how to cake it. Guys, make this cake because it looks so good. I cannot wait to taste it. And don't forget to check out our new cake compilation over on how to cake it step by step. Wait a minute, I forgot something very important. thank you to my mommy for collaborating with me on this video. Please come back next week. I'll be here with a sore stomach.
And Yolanda, we're going home. Yeah? Okay, good night.